Welcome back to EG Financials. Today we're looking at the updated forecast for home prices in the US. And a quick heads up, home prices are still expected to increase. And then we're also taking a look at this real estate market report from Fannie Mae. I made some key highlights. Alright, starting off with all of these home price forecasts that were just released this last week. We have numbers from Fannie Mae, Mortgage Bankers Association, Zillow, CoreLogic, and Freddie Mac. Starting off with Fannie Mae, they're expecting home prices in 2024 to increase by 3.2%, Mortgage Bankers Association 4.1%, Zillow 3.5%, CoreLogic 2.5%, and Freddie Mac 2.8%. And if we average all of these home price forecasts, we get about 3.2% increase for 2024. Next, Fannie Mae is expecting home prices in 2025 to flatten out and only increase by 0.3%. And Mortgage Bankers Association is expecting home prices to increase at a lower rate, closer to 3%, and Freddie Mac is expecting home prices to increase in 2025 by 2%, and that gives us an average of 1.9% for 2025. And the only home price forecast that we have for 2026 is from Mortgage Bankers Association, which is a 3.9%. And if we compare 2024 and 2025 home price forecast from what we had last month, we can see that they've actually increased. So when we looked at the forecast last month in December for 2024, they were expecting 2.5% increase in home prices. Now they're expecting 3.2%. And for 2025, they're expecting about 1.5%. Now it's 1.9%. And again, the main driver for these home prices is supply. The main issues impacting supply is just not building enough, and also the lock-in effect. A lot of people with the lower interest rates, they're locked in at 2.75, 2.5, and they're not planning to sell anytime soon. Okay, and then down below here we have the forecast for the 30-year mortgage rate. Fannie Mae is expecting 2024 to end the year at 6.1%, and in 2025 a further decrease down to 5.6%. And Mortgage Bankers Association is expecting the same rate at 6.1% for 2024, and for 2025, 5.6%. So it looks like Fannie Mae and Mortgage Bankers Association are pretty much agreeing with the same forecast here. And then in 2026, it'll be closer to 5.4% according to Mortgage Bankers Association. Okay, let's continue on to this report from Fannie Mae. It'll be quick, maybe just 30 seconds to a minute. We expect that housing and mortgage markets will begin trending toward a more typical pattern in 2024 after experiencing turbulent oscillations and divergence from historical relationships over the past few years. We expect many of the dynamics prevalent in 2023, such as stretched affordability, the lock-in effect, and limited supply will continue into 2024. However, we believe that moderating mortgage rates, a decelerating economy, and waning effects of 2020 and 2021's periods pull forward of home purchase activity will precipitate an unfreezing of the existing home market, and therefore a movement toward a more balanced housing market. The 30-year fixed-rate mortgage rate will continue to moderate over the course of 2024, moving toward a rate below 6% by year-end. As measured by Fannie Mae Home Price Index, home prices ended 2023 up 7.1% on a Q4 over Q4 basis, a strong pace of growth, especially given the surge in mortgage rates over the year and worsening affordability conditions. While moderating mortgage rates going forward will help support home prices, affordability is still going to remain historically challenging. Combined with the cooling labor market, we see the ability of home buyers to keep pushing prices upward as more limited. And that's it for my key highlights. This is a great report if you want to come and read it yourself. It has some charts, some data, and it gives you a good feel for the real estate market and the economy as a whole. And that's it for today. Make sure you follow for more updates. We come out with this video every month. And thank you for subscribing. Bye.